I got a Dewalt 20 volt max brushless XR. I bought June the 6th of this year. Serial number right there. Started acting up. I put the battery in it, the lights will come on and stay on, and the drill will work as long as the LED lights are lit. As soon as the lights go off, the drill stops working. I'll show you right here. So right here, I can take the battery, put it in the drill, and you'll see exactly what it does. Okay, the LED lights come on, and they'll stay on as long as the drill does what it's doing. It'll work, and as soon as the lights go off, the drill will stop working. So let's see what it does. It still work. Still working. Lights never go off, but once they do go off, the drill stops. It won't work no more until I pull the battery out and wait a few seconds, maybe 5-10 seconds, put the battery back in, and it'll work. It'll do the same thing until the LED's cut off. I'm not real sure what it's doing. I'm going to send it back to the Dewalt service center. Contacted them, took them a little over about 4 to 5 days to get back in touch with me, but they did. Sent me a UPS shipping label, so now I got to mail it off to them so they can fix it, repair it, or send me a new one because it does have a warranty. How long that's going to take, I'm not sure, but I wanted to video what it's doing, and so at least they'll have an understanding of what's going on. Maybe they know what's wrong with it. So he just started doing this Christmas Eve, trying to get a little swing set, and started messing up. So it's just becoming annoying having to keep pulling the battery out to wait on it. Very expensive tool. I like Dewalt, and also hopefully they'll be able to fix it and let me know what's wrong with it, or send me a new one. But as soon as I find out what's wrong with it and they let me know what's wrong with it, I'll be posting another video concerning this issue. But it'll be good to know what the total time is that the LED stays on, so get a lot more understanding. but it did have the belt clip on it, which I took the belt clip off just in case they send me a new one and it don't have one or whatever, it won't get lost. So the belt clips are very handy. And I'll keep the battery. Alright, there it goes. It went off. See? And now it won't do nothing. Mash trigger and everything won't do nothing. Take the battery out. Place the battery right there. Wait a little bit. And put the battery back in. And then it'll come back on. And work. Do the same thing. We sit here and just keep going on and through this. And continue to do it. So, hopefully Dewalt will fix whatever's going on in it. So, alright, that's the end of my video. As soon as I find out what's wrong with it, I'll be posting another one. Thank you. And hope you hit the like button on the bottom of the screen. Subscribe. I'll have more videos to come. Thank you.